Hi, it's Kevin from the Clean Plumber. Today we're going to talk about patching or relining your sewer drains. Got a block drain that keeps coming back? The problem might not be the blockage itself. It could be tree roots, cracked pipes, or broken joints underground. Years ago, the only solution was excavation. That meant digging up your lawn, cutting through your driveway, removing landscaping, and then paying to put everything back together again. And here's the reality. A simple drain excavation can quickly become a $40,000 to $50,000 job. Once you factor in concrete replacement, paving, retaining walls, gardens, and reinstatement. But today, there may be a better option. At the Clean Plumber, we use CCTV drain cameras to inspect the pipe from the inside. If suitable, we install a drain patch over a localized crack or carry out a full pipe reline without major excavation. A patch repair is often a fraction of the cost of digging up a driveway, and a reline can restore an entire section of pipe, whilst leaving your concrete, landscaping and lawn untouched. No jackhammers, no excavators, no destroyed gardens, no weeks of restoration work. The first step is finding out exactly what's happening underground. We'll inspect the drain, show you the footage, explain your options and help you determine whether patching, relining or excavation is the most cost-effective solution. Before you spend thousands digging up your property, call the Clean Plumber. 41 years in business, over 41,000 jobs completed. Thousands of satisfied customers, going the extra mile to see you smile. Book your CCTV drain inspection today. What are you waiting for?